Welcome to Corporal's Corner. Today we're going to make hardtack bread and bacon jam, so stick around. Once again, here we are with another exciting episode of Cooking with Corporal. We're in Corporal's kitchen. Now before we get started, I want to address something right now. This right here. Now I've received all kinds of emails, death threats, messages, etc. Here's my answer. This is a furnished rental. They're good people. It's a good place. I can't complain. Deal with it. Now for today's topic. We're going to keep with that theme of making food at the house and taking it out to the field. So we're going to kick this off with hardtack bread and bacon jam. Enjoy. Three teaspoons of salt, and 2 cups of water. And this right here is what you're going for. See, it's not sticky, it's fairly dry, but I can go ahead and I can move it around. So I'm going to go ahead and flatten this thing out to about a 1/2 inch thick, maybe about 3/4 in the shape of a rectangle. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut pieces off, either rectangles or squares. So far, so good. From here, it's pretty straightforward. Just go ahead and bake your hardtack bread at 375 degrees for 30 minutes per side, which means after 30 minutes, flip your hardtack, put it back in for 30 more minutes. So while we're waiting, let's go ahead and move on to our bacon jam. So once you've chopped or sliced your bacon into pieces no larger than this, go ahead and take what remains of your Miss Piggy puzzle and cook it to your liking. be good enough. Outstanding. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and move on to our garlic and just go ahead and chop that up as fine as you can get it. Went ahead and tossed in our onions and garlic, followed by a half cup of cider vinegar. Quarter cup maple syrup. And followed by a half cup of brown sugar. And now we're going to add our bacon. Go ahead and mix this up. And then we're going to let it simmer on low heat for anywhere from 4 to 10 minutes. A couple more minutes here and we're good to go. And somewhere between 4 and 10 minutes, it thickens up and takes on that jam-like consistency. And you're good to go. Now you can leave it as is, or go ahead and take it and get it chopped up into finer pieces. Welcome back. This is outstanding. It's got that perfect blend of salty and sweet with the high crunch of that cracker. It's good to go in my book. Now there's probably about a dozen ways to do this. Research it, find the one that works for you, and make it happen. And that's the beauty of this recipe. And like all recipes on this channel, it can be tweaked to your liking. Now, I'm of the opinion that this is excellent on bread, crackers, biscuits, hardtack. However, I think it would be most triumphant as a topper for a cheeseburger. Something to think about. Thank you for your comments, views, support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field/kitchen, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.